Have you ever used Microsoft Word? You've been spending ages working on a Word document and then you forget to save it, and then you are pulling your hair out because you can't find that file. Well, worry not, I'm going to show you how to recover that file even though you haven't saved it. But before I do continue, please do like, subscribe and share. So I've got a Word document open up here. I've not got anything on it, but what I'm going to do just for this video is put some text in this Word document. So I'm going to say this is a test Word document RA solutions. I'm going to put today's date there as well, so you know I've created this today. Now I'm not going to save it. Okay, autosave is off. I'm not going to save it. It's the default name is document 1. But this is what the document has. And just imagine you're going down, you've created pages of document, you've written a report, you forget to save it, you haven't enabled autosave, you close the document, you close Word, and then you figure out, oh no, I've not saved my document. This is how to retrieve it. So I'm going to close Word. I'm going to click on this X, close Word, not save it down here, click do not save. Okay, so that Word document has been closed. I haven't saved it. This is how you retrieve it. Go back into Word. So I'm going to go back into Microsoft Word, click on Word, and then all you need to do is the following. So it's going to open up Word 365. It'll take a while, first and foremost. And then on the top left hand corner, you got Home, New, Open. Click on Open. When you click on Open, it will open up this navigation bar, but also all the recent documents you've been working on there. Okay, but the option is at the bottom here, Recover Unsaved Documents. All you need to do is click on Recover Unsaved Documents, and what it will do once you click on Recover Unsaved Document, it will open up your File Explorer, and what you can see there, that document which you didn't save is there. This is that test Word document RA solution unsaved. Click on it, double click, there we have it, and that's your recovered Word document which you hadn't saved previously. It's got what you've got on there, it's got the date which we've created. This is that test Word document RA solutions. Hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.